Good morning, y'all. It is morning where I am, and I've just finished having my time of quiet and my devotions, and I realize I have a bunch of bananas in there that need to be worked with. Because you know how those bananas do. They come home half green, and then 2 days later they have brown spots and they're a little soft, and no one wants to eat them. So today I'm going to make two recipes. A banana chocolate chip donut and a banana maple nut bread. I think I said that right. A maple banana nut bread. How about that? So I'm going to put my apron on and I'm going to get to cooking. Come on and join me for this easy morning breakfast, because this is what they're getting. As per usual, here are the ingredients that we will use in our banana chocolate chip donuts, and I will put the recipe in the description box below. We'll start with preheating our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. First thing we need to do is to mash these bananas. Then that will be very easy. I'm going to mash it with a fork because they are just that ripe. Now we'll mix our bananas, our sugar, our eggs, our melted butter, and that's all in the same bowl right there. We'll mix that well together. And to that, we'll add our yogurt and vanilla and mix it all together. Now we'll add our dry ingredients, which includes the flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. I left a little bit of the flour in the cup so that I could add my chocolate chips and get them coated so that they won't all float to the bottom of my mixture, and then I'll add those. And we'll stir this just until the dry ingredients are moistened and they're all mixed well together. Now I'm going to put my batter into a piping bag that I've already got prepared with the tip cut off so that I can pipe them into the donut pan. I prepare my donut pans by, although they're non-stick, I still like to spray them with some Pam or some kind of non-stick spray. And then I'll pipe in my batter. This recipe makes enough batter for 12 donuts, for a whole dozen donuts. Okay, the first batch is in the oven, and I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes. Not an hour, but 12 minutes. Okay, the first batch is done, and it's time to go ahead and take them out, put them on the cooling rack, and then we'll make some chocolate ganache to put on top. Let's prepare the pan one more time for the last batch, and we'll get that batch in the oven. Now to make my ganache, I'm going to use a few more chocolate chips that I had and some heavy whipping cream. I'll put it in the microwave for a few seconds until the chocolate chips start to melt, and then I'll just mix until it's smooth. Now let's dip some donuts. I'll dip this first batch, and then the second batch I will leave uncoated because, Peepaw and Noah does not like a coating on their donuts. They don't like ice, and so half gets done, half doesn't get done. The second batch I let stay in a little bit longer because I wanted them a little bit more brown than the first batch was. And these are absolutely beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and put these on the cooling rack and let them cool before Peepaw and Noah gets their little hands on them. Now let's get started making our maple banana nut bread. And you know I can't have all this baked stuff without a little cup of coffee. So let's make our coffee. So I'm out here with Peepaw. The children are still sleeping, which is a good thing. And we're going to have us a donut and some coffee and enjoy our morning. It's an easy morning, and I thank God for it. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Yep, just what the doctor ordered. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you think you're going to try one of these recipes, let me know down in the chat. Y'all be blessed. Bye.